Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will let you know one method to earn money from your websites or from your blog. So you may be aware of backlinks. So backlinks is an important factor in SEO, and there are many websites who can pay you to give a backlinks from your website. So usually what happens is that someone may approach to you, or you can approach to someone and ask them to give you backlinks, and once you get the backlinks you can pay for that, or you can give another backlink in exchange. So in this process sometimes you may fail, sometimes you will get success, but a lot of time also has to be given in this process. So in this video I will let you know about a website who does all these background tasks for you. You just have to register your website to that particular website, and everything will be done for you. And once they receive some active offers, they will tell you the link, and you will have to give a backlink, and in exchange you will be get paid for that one. So I will show you how this process works with earning proofs, because I have also used this website and I have earned some amount of money, and I will give you the proof as well. So the website name is linkdeploy.com. So I will give a link in the description. You can click on that and you can join that website. The approval process is very minimal, but it your website has to meet certain criteria. What are those criteria? I will also tell you in a minute. So first of all, once you go to this website, you will have to give your website name here, and this will check the eligibility of your website. Type your website name and just click the start button. In backend it will check few criteria. It will check the website content, domain authority, and organic traffic. So as you can see here, two of the criteria is good for my website, but domain authority is very less. So this particular website is not eligible, but I already have a website that is listed under this link deploy. So I will log in and I will show you how it works. So let me sign in on this particular website, and here you can see I already have a website that is listed under here. So once you complete the sign up process and add your website to this console, you will be able to see the offers here, and you will also get some mails. Now once you see the offers here, you will have to accept or reject that offer within 4 days. Once you do that, immediate payment will be done to you. The bonus payment will be visible on this section, and every day you will get a small percentage of amount also. So as you can see here, currently I have $2 in my current balance, but I have already got payment of $12 from here, and $1.4 from here. And you can see that I have got the bonus, and you can also see the daily percentage also I have received, that is 0.70 dollar and $0.70. So this amount may seems very little, but as you have more number of backlinks, or you have more number of offers, then the amount is pretty huge. So this is very easy process to do it. That's why I think you shouldn't miss this. If you have a blog which has decent amount of traffic and decent domain authority, then you shouldn't miss this chance. So that's all for this video. Hope you like this video, and it will be helpful for you to sell backlinks in a easier method. So thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon to get notification for more such videos.